At center, number 14, Will Macaloni. At forward, number 8, Christian Pagaran. Also at forward, number 77, Gab Banal. At center, number 6, John Cruz. Forward, number 1, James Mangahas. Also at forward, number 18, Paulo Andres.
Cruz and Macaloni jumping up at center court. And the Huskers win the tip. Gapanal for Cyrus Tabi. Will hit the three. He's been shooting the lights out from that distance. 54% from three.
It's been a steady guard para dito sa Quezon. Been playing really good defense. Dito sa liga natin, malaking bagay yung point guard na sumuscore. And he's been doing that job of being that defensive guard and facilitating at the same time. So, talang ito.
Shot.
Yep, making that short jumper.
3-2 is the count. Fuentes blocked by Medina. We've been to Cebu, Bataan, Mindoro, Batangas City. Entry pass to Will Macaloni, Mintis.
Will has been missing point blank, but Judel Fuentes on the other hand, waiting for his big man to find a sweet spot. Isang turnaround lang, semi-hook.
Tapos yung tira ni Jobert Medina. Outlet ni Tabi, papunta ay Fuentes. Takes the free and makes it. Halfway point of the first period. Banal fades away and scores his 5th point.
With everyone desperate for a win, right? So, hindi madali itong kailangan lang gawing adjustment.
John Abate. Passing it to the outside. Peña Redondo. Swak yung kanyang dress. 30-8. Escamis to Peña Redondo. Lines it up and puts it in from rainbow distance.
Same spot, same results. That's the second triple.
Bastida steps through. Could not finish. Nagmamadali si Abate. 2 seconds left. Peña Redondo is feeling it. Why not? John Abate making the right play in the nick of time. Peña Redondo. Nawala sa eksena si Husayan doon. At mahusay din naman ang pagtapos ng Quezon dito sa ating first quarter. He would finish off 2 feet.
And just, you know, the feel of the game, everything, timing, samantalang ito, James Mangas does not skip a step. That's his second triple, 6 points. But if you're Quezon, I think one good thing is that you can see also Clint being very aggressive. His lateral movement's good. That was a great pass too and great cut. Nung tumapak ng mga 11, 12 years old na si Gab, medyo iba na story.
Iba na.
Binabangga na ako eh.
Sa ilalim, Gab Banal right on cue.
7 points in the ball game for Gab.
Correct me if I'm wrong, Coach Juan. Naalala ko si Gab, iba yung laro niya when he was with Xavier, di ba? Compared to now. Nag-evolve din yung laro niya eh.
Well, actually, when he was in Xavier, ngayon, we're seeing him play the power forward. But he had already his outside shooting eventually developed that like in his 3rd, 4th year high school. So, medyo yung nakikita natin na pag 4 nilalaro niya, yan siya sa Xavier. But then later on, nung naglalaro siya sa Bacoor, di ba? 3 ang laro niya, pero scorer siya, ball handle and all that. Doon nag-evolve eh.
Chris passing. Gab Banal behind the back of Cholo Año Nuevo. To De La Rosa, Cruz now against Año Nuevo.
Good first step. No.
Got Cholo up in the air.
It's a good move. Good drive to the basket.
Abundo. To Topeng Lagrama. Back to Alvin Abundo. Ball batted around. Bounce pass. Gab Banal. The setup job once again to Cholo Año Nuevo. Off the back iron on that 3-point attempt. Tip in by Abundo does not work. Koga catch and shoot. Short. Running start for Dom Vera. To Abundo. Gravera cuts, lays it in with his left hand. Dansara. Umbao leans in. Oh, that goes through.
Getting that call against Topeng Lagrama.
So ideally, if you're the Huskers, kaya mo nang papuntusin dito ang Parañaque. Rodel Gravera, tumatrabaho sa ilalim.
Take a look at this reverse miss, but the defensive board. Parañaque has so far been the hot one to start the third.
Cyrus Tabi with another 3-point conversion. 8 points for Cyrus.
He's got 5 straight points here in the third quarter for Quezon.
Tumaksak si Rusey Koga, flips it up and in.
Kala niya makakalusot siya, kala niya end one.
Tatapik. Setup job to Christian Pagaran. Game brought to you by the Extreme Boom 3 waterproof speaker, unstoppable sound, ultimate power. There's a head pass. Fuentes, special delivery.
But read it perfectly and he was trying to drop it off to James Mangas. So it's a game of adjustments and reads. Oh, Pagaran. That was a clean two-handed block.
Orlan Wamar from San Juan. Ito pa. Clint Escamis finally scores his first basket as a Husker. Down ni Clint. Wala sa depensa. Dipsy Do against 2 defenders. He won a championship. And then, to close out his career, natalo sila naman sa Final Four. But,
risky pass there.
naagaw ni Peña Redondo. Gets the step on Paulo Andres. He will score on the other side of the basket.
But let's look at this fast break one more time.
Fast break game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Gravera whips it to the corner. Pagaran swishes in the jumper.
Games na na-cover ko thus far. Tapos yung mga binanggit mo mga pangalan, sila yung pumupukol talaga sa labas eh. yung sobrang init, yung kaya nila score ng 30 points.
Si Gab ba sumali ng 3-point shootout?
Not sure.
Chris Lalata takes off, puts it in, plus the foul. Fast break the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
Talk about a touchdown pass by Alvin Abundo.
Fuentes.
Oh, what a pass.
Look away, papunta kay Chris Lalata.
What a pass.
Koga pulls the trigger, drills in the 3.
Again, like I said, he's been very aggressive in this ball game, very offensive-minded.
Gravera kicks it out, Pagaran. Abundo inside, Lalata hammers it down.
12 points in the ball game, but talk about the assists of Quezon in this ball game.
Pabantang tira, pasok yan para kay Rodel Gravera. Sorry, from Parañaque. James Mangahas to Medina. Kicks it out to James Mangahas. Koga off the mark. Abundo bounce pass. Gravera will slam it down.
That is now the 34th assist of Quezon in the ball game.
Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. The other from Rodel Gravera. Abang na si Gravera sa ilalim. Bola na tapik.
Oh,
Koga.
that's a good move.
Steal of the game brought to you by the Extreme Boom 3 waterproof speaker, unstoppable sound, ultimate power. Running start for Dansara. Humipit, pero butata, inabot ni Andres kay Vera. Huli ka, sabi ni Dom Vera. 5 out, but still continuing their habit na wala masyado extended minutes. And Sara, 61 points na ang Paranaque. It is Camis, too strong. That's gonna be fun. Josh Cruz with the basket. Ladrama spots up for 3. Dan Sara pops in the jumper. What do you think is gonna be the added dynamic that they could bring in as they move closer to the playoffs?
No, definitely it's going to be depth in terms of offensive options. It speaks also of the management of Quezon.
Pera inside. He will put it in. Because they lost a lot of guys during the offseason. LJ Gonzalez, Simon Sandagon, De La Rosa foul. Ilang pagkakataon to finish number 1.
And I think that's what they're trying to go for.
Camis getting a free lane to the basket. And they will improve to 14-3 after this win. And more importantly,